Hello, welcome to this week's Primed Insights. This week I want to talk about blast hose. How do you identify when the hose is worn? How do you identify if the hose is deemed safe or not? The most important aspect of a blast hose is the integrity of the wall of the hose. It does two things. One is it carries the garnet on the internal side of the hose, but also too on the outer wall of the hose, it must be in good repair. If the depression is easy of the hose, that means that the hose internal wall has been worn away, and also too the hose is getting towards the end of its life. Importantly too with the blast hose, when the blaster is operating the blast hose, if he at any time pushes the hose to a severe radius, the hose wears prematurely near the operator, which is deemed extremely unsafe. So just make sure that your blasters keep a good radius of the blast hose when operating the hose, and also the radius from the blast pot. When you cut a hose to put a fitting on the hose, always make sure that it's cut square and neat so that when the hose penetrates or is pushed into the fitting, it goes all the way through to the ferrule in the back of the fitting and the hose kisses both. That's deemed safe. When you put the screws in the hose, make sure that the screws do not penetrate the hose wall, which inadvertently will cause the grit to come up through the screw hole. So the screws are only a securing, primary securing. The secondary securing is an adhesive such as silicone or Sikaflex. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insights.